Hello everyone, welcome to Business Learning School. I have started a new series where I will be describing different accounting and finance terms so that you don't get confused. So today we will be talking about absorption costing. The question is, what is absorption costing? If we go for the definition, we can say absorption costing is a cost accounting method for valuing inventory. Absorption costing includes or absorbs all the costs of manufacturing a product, including both fixed and variable costs. That means all costs including direct like material costs and indirect like overhead costs are included in the price of inventory. Absorption costing gives a much more comprehensive and accurate view on how much it really costs to produce your inventory than the variable costing method. So think about it like this. If Apple used full absorption costing when they were valuing their inventory for iPods, the inventory value would include the following thing. Number 1, the material to make the iPods. Number 2, the money paid to workers to manufacturing the iPods. So these are the direct labor. And number 3, the manufacturing overhead, as well as the fixed overhead for the entire production. In contrast, variable costing only takes into consideration the first three of these costs or the variable costs. So the variable costs here are material, direct labor and overhead. So they do not consider the fixed cost while they follow the variable costing method. But when we follow the absorption costing method, we actually consider the fixed cost as well. So let's take an example. So here I have shown two methods. One is a variable costing method and another one is absorption costing method. So if you see, the cost of iPod material, both are same in both costing method. Cost of hourly works per iPod, the costs are same. Cost of salary workers per iPod. In the variable costing method, it's 0, but in absorption costing, you can see there is a cost. So like that, for cost of utilities, I have given 0 and here 2.75. So all other things remain same. Only the two things, one is cost of salary workers per iPod was not included in variable costing method and cost of utilities was not considered while costing. So in both the cost, we can say that in the variable costing method, the total price is 78.02 and in absorption costing method, the cost is 102.77. So this gives a much more accurate and clear picture about the costing of the particular product. So if we summarize the whole thing, we can say absorption costing means a way to value inventory by assigning all fixed and variable manufacturing costs to the merchandise. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon.